system. So, yung system natin. Ayan, share. Yan. Okay, so ito yung system natin. So that is talk about the computer system. So diyan ninyo malalaman lahat ng information meron ang computer system natin. From the memory, from the processor, from the hard disk, from the video card, from the motherboard, lahat ng yun makikita ninyo sa system. Okay, so if you want to know, if you want to find out the information of the computer, pag sinabi sa exam ninyo, sa actual exam ninyo, okay, so use that computer, then define the function of the computer system. Okay, so ang gagawin lang ninyo, so you need to open the computer, then on the start menu, on the search bar, type system. Okay, then makikita nyo na dyan lahat yun. Yan yung mga isusulat ninyo sa papel ninyo. Tandaan ninyo, once na nasira yung computer na ipapagamit ko sa inyo, malamang sa malamang, problemahin nyo na yan. Okay? So yan po yung tinatawag nating DOS command. Tandaan ninyo, DOS command, that is a set of instructions that we will use to operate or to instruct the operating system to be processed. Okay, so yan po yan. So, pero kung gusto niya talagang malaman kung ano yung laman ng computer system natin. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo malaman kung gaano kabilis, gaano kaluwang, kung ano yung operating system meron ang computer natin, pupunta lang po